Hello class, I'm Jason Rowinski and I'm your instructor for this course, Mass Communications 126. I just want to say welcome to the term and I'm excited to get to know all of you guys and work with you for the next 8 weeks as we study mass communications and all aspects of that in our culture. This is your first installment of Reality Bytes. The purpose of Reality Bytes is to take a look at some major objective during the current module and then even apply some of that, what you're going to be learning, to your real life, hence the term reality. So it's a bite of life for reality, and hence the term Reality Bytes. So I want to talk to you this week on some overview things, actually. If you'll notice when you log into Blackboard, you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen a series of buttons. The place where you can access all the information that you need about this module is in the Learning Modules button. So if you click on that, you'll see a list of all of the assignments for that week. And if you will click on those assignments, those that have links, you'll find out where you can submit those assignments. You'll also find at the bottom of the Learning Module list a folder for your assignment guidelines and grading rubric. Now this tells you in detail about every assignment that you have for this term. So for example, this week's major assignment is to familiarize yourselves with your final project. Now that is spaced out over the course of the term, and it's spaced out into two major sections. Final project grading rubric number 1 will tell you about the first section, and grading rubric number 2 will tell you about the second section. So the whole point is for you to get in there, click on that folder, and pay attention to what it says. And then from that, you can post anything you want, questions or whatever about the project or any assignment really in the general questions folder, which is on the discussion board. And that will be something that we can all answer together as a class. So that's really something that you need to know to be successful in this class. Make sure that you are going into the Learning Module button link on the left-hand side of Blackboard. And from there, make sure you know that's where you submit everything and that's where you find out information about every assignment that you need. Now, the life lesson here is one that I like to talk about, mindfulness. Mindfulness is about being aware in the present. And most of us are too busy living in the past or fast forwarding to the future that we don't actually just stop and pay attention. So one real critical aspect of success in the real world is paying attention. Slowing down enough to realize that you have the resources that you need around you, that you might have it in people. You already probably have it, for example, online here, that it's there. And if we would slow down and be mindful of what's already present, we would reduce a lot of our anxiety about the future. Well, that's this week's installment of Reality Bytes. I'll come again with an installment next Wednesday. But for now, that's good enough. I look forward to talking with you online on the discussion board as we get to know each other. Make sure that you follow the announcements because they will guide you through this course. And those who follow along with the weekly announcements and the grading rubric always do well. Well, thanks for that. I will see you online. Take care. Bye.